Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day today. I'm back real quick, guys. I want to show you a system that I've been using for a while that has actually helped me brand myself, make some unique capture pages, some unique systems, okay, to allow me to get more sales, more signups, more leads, and on top of that, make commissions using this system. All right, so it is called the Conversion Pros. You may have heard about it, and you don't see me talk about it a lot. Actually, I use the system more than I even speak on it. But if you've been following me, most of the pages that you see I use, okay, is created in the Conversion Pros. Okay, this is a great system. I love it. It's pretty easy to use. They have all the tutorials that you need in the back office. If you just go in there, follow the steps. It's a plethora of training in there. The affiliate marketing training, and then training on actually how to use the system. Okay, as well as a community Facebook group that we have. Okay, where the owner is very active in helping you to use the system and maximize it to its capacity. All right, so I'm going to talk about it real briefly, and I'm going to put a link below so you guys can actually go and test drive this system. No money is required, no credit card is required. You can go in here, get a 2-week trial, and check it out for yourself. Okay, so before we do that, before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, now I want you to hear something from the owner himself talking about the system and how powerful it is. Okay, check it out. All right, here you go.
You need more signups in your home-based business? Then stop using your corporate website. That is the kiss of death when it comes to recruiting. Think about it. 99% of the people can't even recruit 1 or 2 people using that corporate website. Well, welcome to our company called the Conversion Pros. We have proven sales funnels that have put in so many people on top of the leaderboard that recruit like crazy. You see, we deal with almost every top earner in every company that you can name that sells any product or service, no matter how much the kit costs. Why? We have proven funnels with proven ad copy that all you have to do is copy and use right now today that are proven to get you hot leads that convert, that can sign up in your business right now. I know what you're thinking. This must cost me a lot of money. It doesn't. Actually, we don't want any money, so put your wallet away. We don't want any credit card. We don't want any payment information. We just want you to try us out 100% free. We can't charge you even if we wanted to. Again, no credit card needed. So go ahead, set up a free account, plug into one of our proven sales funnels already made for you, and watch the results start pouring in for you and whatever company you're currently marketing.
Okay, so as stated, he kind of gave you some highlights of the system. Now, what happens is you're an affiliate. Okay, so I'm an affiliate, which means every time I refer someone to the Conversion Pros, this system, okay, I earn a commission. It's a partnership. Actually, they have what they call a 50-50 partnership. The system is $50 a month. Okay, you get a 14-day trial. We'll give you a link so you can just try it out and test drive it for 14 days. Or you can just go ahead and sign up, pay your $50 and get going. So everybody that actually signs up with you, when they pay their $50 every month, the company's going to split that right down the middle. Okay, as it states right here, you become an affiliate, and it's a 50-50 split. So when they pay their $50, the company pays you $25. That's it. That's the comp plan. That is it. You can't get any simpler than that. But they allow you to try it out for 2 weeks. They don't ask you for a credit card, any of that. You don't have to pay anything. So if you decide you want to go ahead and take advantage of being an affiliate, you would have to actually log in and put your credit card information in there, and then they will go ahead and charge you. But no credit card is required. So I'm going to make sure I put that link below so you can go test drive it. But that's it, that's it with the comp plan, guys. And they pay every Friday. What they do is set up the e-wallet. Okay, so not only are you earning an income for referring people to a full turnkey marketing system that has the autoresponder included, all in one. They have capture pages already set up that you can just plug into. Okay, now what I've done, and it's helped me with, is be able to brand myself. I'm able to create different pages on my own. For the people out there that kind of want to brand themselves, this is a perfect platform for that. You can go in there and edit any pages and make them fit to your personality. You can plug in videos into their pages. So you've seen a lot of pages. I'm going to show you some as well that I've created. And if you ever join me in a program, I can give you the share code if it's a page that you like. And then you just copy the share code and you just duplicated the exact page that I created. Okay, so what they're stating here about the multiple income streams is because you're able to go in here and create your own pages, guys, right? So when you're doing that, so for an example, like myself, I'm an affiliate marketer for many programs. So I actually can set up a page for each of those programs, which is going to allow me to make multiple streams of income through those different companies, but I'm using the Conversion Pros to do it. One system is allowing me to create all these different pages, okay? And then when I refer someone else to the same system, the Conversion Pros, they pay their $50 membership. I get paid $25 for each person. And again, as I state, they pay you every Friday. It's an e-wallet, or you can also get a prepaid card that they have linked to that as well. So these funnels are great, very user-friendly. Facebook, they have a Facebook community, private master selling training sessions as well. So great system to get started in. Even just affiliate marketing, if you want to learn that, they have training in the back office for that. But let me show you some of the pages I created. Check this out. Now here's a page I created for one of my postcard programs. Okay, let me show you another one. Okay, here's one for Impact Mailing Club. I'm in that one. Okay. Here's another page, as you can see. Okay, let me show you one for my texting system. Press 1. Hang on. Okay, here's one for Press 1. Okay, Press 1 system, texting system. Okay, so as you can see, you can be as creative as you want, and then again, you can plug your own videos. You can do videos and plug them in to the system. Let me show you that as well. Okay, here's a landing page I put together. Okay, as you can see right here. And I put the tabs here. So if they want to go and join the Tycoon, they click that button. If they want to join Impact Mailing, they click that button. So you can just plug these videos into that, and you now have a landing page or bridge page. Okay, so this is a great system to be creative and have a marketing system, because you need a marketing system so you can track your marketing, all your programs, guys. Everything that you're promoting, you need to be able to track it. You need to be able to capture your leads. You also need to be able to broadcast and email out to your lists. Okay, so you can do all that with the Conversion Pros. Now I have earned a little commission in it. I'll show you that as well. Okay, but I'm going to put the link below so you guys can go test this thing out. This is how I run my business. This is one of the systems, my main system I use to do that. And I have people all the time saying, hey, I want to do what you're doing. Well, you need to get the Conversion Pros. Okay, so after you have 2 people that's joined up under you, your $50 basically is gone away. You're not paying it because it's $50 a month. And if you refer 2 people, you make $25 a person, right? So you just broke even. You're good. So that's what you want to do. Okay, so let me show you little commissions that I've made with the program. Hang on a sec. Okay, so I've made a little over $6,000 with the Conversion Pros. That's really not a lot, okay, because as I stated, I haven't been really pushing and promoting it. I actually just been using it. So just think about, if I really crank this thing out, okay, I could make way more than that. Okay, but we've got some great pages that's already set up for you guys, that's ready to roll. All you got to do is just plug in, guys. We have doesn't matter what niche you're in. If you're selling coffee, if you're selling tea, weight loss, make money from home, real estate agent, doesn't matter. We have all those pages set up for you. Now we've got a great one of the new pages that we recently have is called the Quarantine Cash System. Let me show you that. Matter of fact, I've got a traffic campaign that's going to be running on that page, and I'll come back and show you guys some of the results from it. But let me show you what it looks like. Okay, here's the page for it right here. It has been working very well. But I'm going to run some traffic for it. I actually only have been sharing it with people, but I haven't actually ran any solo traffic for it, which I'm going to do. Some texting and some solo traffic. So I'll keep you guys posted on it. But a plug-and-play system, turnkey marketing system, you need that if you're going to be online. Okay, if you're going to do it, be online with anything, you need to be able to track everything. So with that being said, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, till next time, you guys be safe out there. I will see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.